Busy lifestyle? Wishing you had less home maintenance? Look no further than this hard-to-find 3-level upscale townhome with bonus room and half bath on lower level. Mood and condition with fresh paint, new carpet, and new luxury vinyl flooring. Open floor plan with 9 ceilings on first and second floor. Beautifully renovated spa-like primary bath with tile floors and walk-in shower with dual shower heads. Recessed lights throughout. Kitchen with granite, stainless steel appliances, tile backsplash, and pantry. All appliances are included including washer, dryer, and refrigerator. Laundry is conveniently located near the bedrooms upstairs. Huge bonus room on lower level is perfect for workout, play, games, home theater, hobbies, and more. Backyard with deck and privacy fence. Convenient to new 840 loop, parks, restaurants, shopping, and more.